Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know how important it is to manage your assets securely. Today, we're breaking down how to transfer Solana from your Tangem wallet to your Phantom wallet in 2025. This step-by-step guide is perfect for beginners and pros alike, ensuring you handle your transactions smoothly and safely. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have both wallets set up. You'll need the Tangem wallet app installed on your device, along with some Solana tokens in it, and the Phantom wallet ready to receive. Always double-check that you're on the correct networks. Both Tangem and Phantom support Solana's mainnet. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app and unlock it with your security method, like a PIN or biometric authentication. Navigate to your Assets section and select your Solana holdings. This is where you'll see your balance. Step 2. Tap on the Solana you want to transfer. Look for the Send or Transfer button. It's usually straightforward. Enter the amount you wish to send, but remember to leave enough for any network fees. Step 3. Now, switch to your Phantom wallet app. Go to the Receive section to get your Phantom wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of characters, so no typos. Step 4. Back in Tangem, paste the Phantom wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. Once you're confident, hit Confirm to broadcast the transaction. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to process. Solana transactions are fast, but it might take a minute or two. You can track it on a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site. Finally, once it's done, open your Phantom wallet and refresh to see your Solana arrive. Congrats! You've just moved your assets securely. If you run into any issues, always reach out to the wallet support or check official docs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you next time.